Welcome. Thank you for showing up. Today we're going to be talking about high-paying clients, how to close them, the secrets of how they think, and this is going to be a several-part series. We're going to start out first with identifying what is a high-paying client. How do you know you have one in front of you? What are you looking for? So that's what we're covering today on the Peyton Ekman Project. My name is Peyton Ekman, and I'll be right back with more details on how to pick out a high-paying client. Everyone only has 24 hours in a day. You have no more time than any other person. So the game is, how do you earn more and create time freedom for yourself? Right? That's what you're looking for. And that's what the high-paying client is going to allow you to do in your business. You'll be able to add the same amount of people making exponentially more money than if you're selling low ticket. And it's really not much more effort to do a high ticket as it is to promote a low ticket offer. So when you really look at the stats on it, it makes sense to focus on high ticket sales. And if nothing else, it is going to increase your self-worth like crazy, because you will see the true value in the products that you offer to the market, because people will pay the high ticket price for what you're able to teach them. That's going to change. That's going to change how you think of yourself and how you value yourself, and you'll no longer be willing to even commit time to something that doesn't make money. It's going to be more and more important as you go forward. If it doesn't make money, then why are you doing it? So these are the foundation of why you would even go for a high-paying client, what a high-paying client looks like, and what it does for your business and your personal life. So make sure you check in for the next segment, where we're going to talk about what it takes to close a high-paying client, and we're going to be talking about belief systems and talking about limiting beliefs. So you're going to want to make sure you catch that. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ding that bell so you know exactly when I drop the next episode, because you don't want to miss this. It's going to be the foundation for the rest of the segments on what we're going to be doing, closing high-ticket clients to take your business to the next level. Again, I'm Peyton Ekman. This has been the Peyton Ekman Project. Thank you for spending your time with us. We love and appreciate you, and we hope to see you on the next one. Go to PeytonEkman.net. The link is in the description. I want you to check out my new report. It's got 3 secrets to making huge cash paydays online. It's put together by my mentor, Michael Cheney. He's a little bit crazy, but the man knows how to make money online, and he's been teaching me, and I want to share this before it gets out to everybody. I want you to be able to get to it first. So go to PeytonEkman.net. The link is in the description, and get your copy today. Remember to hit subscribe, hit the bell, and the video up here in the corner will be the video that YouTube thinks you should watch next.